Hi, I'm Mahana Mazur, your catalyst for transformation. The number one mindset shift that transformed my healing journey was the fact when I woke up and recognized and remembered again that I am the one creating my reality. And I can change the realities that I don't like, the realities that I'm frustrated with, challenged with, by changing my beliefs at the subconscious level of the mind. Because that's actually where these realities come from. Whoa, yeah, this is super huge, super huge. So yeah, you can change your mindset. You can change your view of things, your ability to expand and raise your level of consciousness, your ability to connect in, remembering who you are, open up, and discover that you're more than just this human body and human being. You actually are a divine being here, having this human experience that you can actually connect into the field of consciousness, the field of love, the field of oneness. And these are tremendous gifts you can give yourself for your healing journey. Because when we are hurting or we're wounded or we've had childhood stuff, but throughout the life in the words where we've been really hurt, our hearts will block, we will shut down, we will close off, we'll be in survival mode. And it's just a way to survive. And the gift here is that the moment that you recognize that you're just tired of those ways, boom, may you allow courage and willingness within you, that decision that something has to change. I need to heal. I need help. It's okay to know you have help. I actually had a hard time admitting that I needed help. I was taught to be completely self-reliant. I was taught to be a Marine by my dad. And I was taught to just act like everything's good, even when it was not, by my mom. That was their survival coping skills. And all of us have had different survival coping skills that we learned from our parents. And now, as we adults, when we can start notice the things you don't like that are irritating you, frustrating you, challenging you, they're actually here for you, believe it or not, as hard as that sounds. Because if you can just imagine, I'm creating my own reality based on the beliefs that I embodied my first 7 years of life. And the gift here is you can change these beliefs and change your reality, expand. You actually get to break through, move through, heal yourself physically, emotionally, mentally. We are meant to self-heal. You have every mechanism within you. You have the answers within you. You have the wisdom within you. It's vital if you can remember that you actually can, when you're ready, to reconnect back to your spiritual part of you, back to the supports. We have a spiritual support teams that are always here for us too, and you can access this. This is the new game changer here now, and what a gift. So PSYCH-K was the gift that came to me. It's just the tool that helped me actually access and activate my personal power, reconnect with my mind, my spirit, and my soul in a way that I can actually upgrade my mind. I can delete those old programs, insert the new programs, so that I get to live my highest, most divine self and real, authentic self. And you can too. You can too. So we invite you to change your mindset. Allow yourself to see things in a new way that you couldn't see before. Let yourself realize, wow, I really can heal myself, all parts of me. All it takes is courage and willingness and a decision that you just say, yep, I'm willing to. It's almost like being a little risk taker. Are you willing to be a bit of a risk taker? Because when you say yes, you will be amazed of what you're going to magnetize and what's going to come to you. This talk may come to you just for that. So I invite you to check my link below for a taste of PSYCH-K. You can have a 30-minute session with me through Zoom where you can begin actually making these changes. So at least you get a start of it. And then we welcome you to the workshops that I'm teaching. And if you want more sessions or definitely more supports, this is all here for you. There's so much support here for you. It's time for you to say, yes, I'm ready, and actually take the action steps to bring it into your life, because this is all here for you. And may you be able to change your reality in the most profound, loving, amazing way so you can blossom yourself in your life. And we welcome you to this. Aho.